Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to model a geometrical compass, a very easy geometrical compass in Blender. This is very easy model to model. So let's start. Hello friends, so this is our final render. This is a geometrical compass, very easy, made with basic shapes. Anybody can model this. This model is made by basic shapes. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this. Also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.